Okay, everyone, this is me, Barbara Williams. I'm here with Portia, Charlie, and Cream Puff. Charlie's on the other side. Well, Portia has a thing that she does, and sometimes she does it so loud you can't even hear the television. It's called snoring. I'm going to let you listen to her and see if you think it's loud enough to where it would distract you from watching television. So just listen. Looks like she's taking a break. Oh, I was wrong. Spoke too soon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine listening to this at 2 o'clock in the morning through the door? Well, guys, I gotta go. Let me know if I have proven my point. Signing off.